If your Pixel phone screen keeps flickering, here are some quick and effective fixes you can try. Solution 1. Turn off adaptive brightness. Go to settings, then move to display, select adaptive brightness and turn it off. This stops your phone from automatically changing brightness, which can sometimes cause flickering. Solution 2. Disable smooth display. Head to settings, then find and open display. Now find smooth display and turn it off. This locks your refresh rate and can help stabilize the screen performance. Solution 3. Test in safe mode. Hold the power button, long press on the restart option. Tap reboot to safe mode. Now hit OK. If the flickering stops in safe mode, a third-party app is causing the problem. That's it. Try these simple steps before visiting a repair shop. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Pixel fixes. Thanks for watching.